Hello and welcome to the video where I'm going to be showing you how to install the MySecureBackup Agent on a Mac. So I've downloaded the software and I'm just proceeding to install, and I'm going to select the domain, a username and a password. Select when to back up your files, choose exactly which folder you wish to back up, or you can select another subfolder here. So the backup has been configured, and you can see it's already started to back up my content to my drive, and there you have the tutorial. So thanks for watching.